In this program, we again are accepting two numbers from the user and we are adding them, subtracting them, multiplying them and dividing them. So after accepting the two numbers using the int and input function, you will add them in a variable. You will print the sum of those with a message in double quotes, and then you have to display the sum. So put a comma and write the name of the variable where you are finding out the sum. Similarly, subtract1 is another variable where you are finding the subtraction of two numbers. Then you are printing the result with the proper message. The same way you are multiplying and storing the result in another variable multiply1. You are displaying it with a message. And lastly, you are dividing them and storing the result in divide1 variable and displaying it with a proper message. And this is how your output will be displayed. You enter two numbers, the sum is displayed here, the subtraction of two numbers is displayed, and after multiplication the result is 30 and after division the result is 7.5. Hope you like the video. Subscribe and follow for more such videos. Thank you so much.